My name is Steve. Welcome back to my shop. Well, this is it. A week has gone by and we've got well over 100 entries into the hammer giveaway, and I couldn't be more thrilled. I picked up a lot of new subscribers, and I want to thank all my new subscribers, and I want to thank all the old subscribers. I got a lot of support from the people that I recognize that have been following my channel for a while. Close to 74,000 views now, which is just great for a small channel. I'm over at 600 subscribers, and I can't tell you how thrilled I am for that. That 1,000 subscriber is a possibility. At one point I thought, oh, I'm never going to make that by the end of the year. But there's a good chance that I could make that 1,000, certainly by the next summer bash. I also want to do a special shout out to Justin from The Good of the Land. Justin listed me on his community page, and several of you actually came to me through his page and have told me that, and that's wonderful. I met Justin at the bash and we had a great time. So the prize package consists of the custom-made brass hammer, 16-ounce brass hammer, a Shark River machine hat, a couple of Shark River machine stickers, the Starrett metric equivalent chart and a decimal equivalent chart, and the decimal equivalent chart also has tap drill sizes for both imperial and metric on it, and the hot sheets from the Black Book. So with no further ado, I'm going to draw it. The way I did this is, as everybody commented and said that they wanted to be in on the hammer, I entered their name in an Excel spreadsheet, and I closed that out on midnight Tuesday Eastern Time, and I printed out the list. I cut it up into little strips of paper and folded them up and put them in the bucket, and here is the winner. Steve Summers. Congratulations, Steve. Email me your shipping address, although I'd actually think I might have it. Steve is one of my regular followers, and I'm thrilled. Thank you for participating. I will put my email address in the description, and I'll also put it at the bottom of the screen in this video. So thank you again for participating, and keep watching my channel for the next one. See you at the next video.